with the Livermore Public Library. My name is Caitlin and I am your teen programming librarian. Today we are going to do some 3D doodles like this. There'll be a fun, relaxing activity that you can color in at your leisure. After that, we're going to talk a little bit about an upcoming program called Meditation for Stress and Anxiety. And we have some book recommendations from our teen literature expert, librarian Jennifer. Let's take a look. For today's activity, the 3D doodles, you really don't need much beyond a marker, some paper, and colored pencils. But you can be as intricate or as simple as you like. I just traced my hand in this case, but you're welcome to trace anything else that would benefit from a 3D sort of effect. So let's get into how you can accomplish this simple but fun activity. Next, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about an upcoming program called Meditation for Stress and Anxiety. This program will take place via Zoom. It's a webinar and it is completely free. Let's take a look. So let's talk about this upcoming program where you can learn how to overcome stress and anxiety with meditation. To find out more information about this program, you can go to the library's website, www.livermorelibrary.net. Click through the banner at the top until you get to the advertisement for this program. Once you click on the ad, it will take you to the calendar entry for this program. Although this is filed under the adult event calendar, teens are welcome. Especially because we are living in a time that feels often confusing and stressful. Incorporating meditation in our lives can be the change that makes a big difference. Join Dr. Manish Sagar, Assistant Professor at the Department of Psychiatry at Stanford University School of Medicine, as he teaches a simple meditation technique to increase your personal well-being. This free program will take place on Saturday, August 15th at 2 p.m. It's an online program available through Zoom. To attend this webinar, click on this link at 2 o'clock on Saturday the 15th. Registration is not required for this one, although if you do have any questions, you can call the library at 925-373-5505. I hope you're able to attend and learn some valuable stress management tools that will help you get through the school year and beyond. Next, we have librarian Jennifer's 2 book recommendations for today. Let's see what she came up with this week. The talented writing team of Amy Kaufman and Jay Kristoff, authors of The Illuminae Files, have brought readers another action-packed trilogy in the Aurora Cycle. The first and second books are out now, available in print and on Overdrive. When ace student Tyler opts to extend his mission to rescue a stranded prisoner, he finds himself late for the academy recruitment, and now he is stuck with the bottom of the barrel in recruits. The team's first mission is much more than it first appears, and they must find common ground and trust in order to survive. The distinct and remarkable characters that make up the squad are diverse in race and sexual orientation. This gave the story more of a, "Hey, I know that person" feel, as the characters reflected what we all see in our everyday lives. Librarian Jennifer listened to the audio version of these books. There is something about a full cast performance that sucks her in. Descriptions are epic and images will pop into your brain, take hold, and not let go. For our graphic novel this week, we feature the trilogy that will be the Livermore Reads Together selection for 2021. March by John Lewis. Next year, we will celebrate Black History Month in conjunction with our annual citywide read-along. Sadly, Representative Lewis passed away on July 17th, 2020. His legacy is far-reaching, his story full of highs and lows. The March trilogy tells of Representative Lewis's youth, his initial meeting with Martin Luther King Jr., and his participation in the civil rights movement. The illustrations in the graphic novel are often heart-wrenching, and, of course, the entire story offers so many threads for conversation and discussion. Currently, we have a few copies of the trilogy in print and available on Overdrive. As Livermore Reads Together continues to draw closer, more copies will be added. So that's it for today's Teen Time with the Livermore Public Library. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoy making your doodles and you have a very relaxing afternoon coloring them all in. I also hope you were able to get some great tips from the meditation workshop that's coming up. And I really do hope you enjoy the 2 books that Jennifer's picked out for you. I know I was a big fan of Aurora Rising, so I hope you like it too. See you next time. Bye.